Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. The fan is designed to move a volume flow rate of 10 meters cubed per second. The air velocity is 9 meters per second. The air density is 1.18 kilograms per meter cubed. What is the minimum power to operate the fan? So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got air blowing in, and we're gonna assume this is a tunnel. So we've got this fan. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So they give us the air density, they give us the volume flow rate, they give us the velocity. So we're trying to find the power. In this case, it is W dot. So work flow rate in a sense, as W is the work and the flow rate is the dot above. So basically it is the power of the shaft of the fan that we're trying to find. Step 3, find the power formula. So this is an open system and it's moving steadily, the fan. So it will be energy in is equal to energy out. From there, we will use this formula. So power is equal to the mass flow rate multiplied by velocity squared divided by 2. So we need to find the mass flow rate, and that's the formula. So m dot is equal to rho multiplied by v dot. So mass flow rate is equal to the density multiplied by the volume flow rate. Step 5, find the mass flow rate. So we just plug and play. Both of these are given in the question. So that will give us 11.8 kilograms per second. Step 6, find power. So now that we've got all the variables, we just plug and play once again. So 11.8 kilograms per second, that's found in step 5. 9 meters per second, that is given in the question, squared, and divide by 2. Then make sure you got your conversion units to get it into joules per second. So that will give you 477.9 joules per second. And then we want to convert it to watts. Watts is a 1-to-1 conversion from joules per second. So it is 477.9 watts of power, and that is the minimum power required to operate the fan. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.